orange cones can create legal chaos. So you're trying to navigate through a construction zone. There is orange cones everywhere, confusing sign, and then out of nowhere, bam, you're in an accident. And multiple parties are pointing the fingers at each other at who did it. Construction zone accidents can involve the drivers, construction company, the government agency overseeing the project, and even the company responsible for placing the signs and the cones. Now, as your lawyer, we have to investigate whether proper warnings were given, if the work zone was set up safely, and whether the drivers were following the posted restrictions. Now, if any one of those factors are present, we have a viable claim against them. Comment injured if you were hurt in a construction zone accident.